This was the Duesenberg of refrigerators when it was new. This is a 1937 Stuart Warner. It's a little crusty because it's 87 years old. Most of you hot rod guys know Stuart Warner for making your vintage car gauges. They had a very short stint in refrigeration. They were very expensive. Need more room? Push your rack back. This originally also had a swing out basket, which I have sourced one out for. More racks went on your inside door. But here's the kicker. Let's say you're offloading a bunch of food and you needed a tray for something. You push your button. There is your removable slide a tray, also made by Stuart Warner. This thing is powered by a belt-driven repulsion start sulfur dioxide charged reciprocating refrigeration compressor. I suppose you're wondering how loud this thing gets. Watch. He runs. Bushings are gone, but these are extremely quiet when they're not banging around. Cast iron, low side float evaporator, extremely rare refrigerator. This is the type of thing that I typically keep for myself when it's all fully restored.